Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia for the XOR function, or the exclusive OR logical function. The exclusive OR function is similar to the OR function, except that it only activates, or it only outputs true, if and only if an odd number of inputs are true. I'm going to fill out a little truth table here to show what I mean. While I'm doing this, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. And drop me a comment if you want to see something else in particular or something about this particularly fascinating. All right, truth table's done. All the combinations of true and false for two inputs. Let's take these and OR them together. Use the comma method. There we go. You can see in the case of two falses, nothing is true, so the output is going to be false. In the case of one true and one false, I get an output of true, same as an OR gate. And in fact, the third column is also the same as OR. There is one true input. Now, where it gets interesting is this last one, where if both of the inputs are true, it outputs false. And that's because the XOR gate has a really interesting behavior where it looks for an odd number of inputs to be true in order to also output true. So in this case here, there is an even number of true inputs and the output is false. Here is an odd number of true inputs, and here is an odd number of true inputs. So let's look at a larger case. For example, my entire cluster of 8 values here. This has an even number of true inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is even, and that responds false because it has an even number. Now, if I change any of these values from false to true, or from true to false, then, then I now have an odd number of true values, and it responds true. If I do another one, now I have an even number of trues again, and I get false out. So this can be used as an even and odd checker in the larger cases, which is kind of interesting. Of course, being a logical function in Excel, it also accepts zeros and ones as inputs for false and true, respectively. But that's all there is to the XOR function, the exclusive OR function. And this concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the XOR function. Thanks for watching. Happy excelling.